Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Johnny Stacks, independent trader, coming to you all with a great breakdown of Ethereum. Real quick, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. I'm doing everything crypto here on the channel. This is something that you're not gonna want to miss. I love Ethereum. Ethereum is my favorite coin out of all of the cryptos in today's market. And right now is a great opportunity to get in on a buy and get some profits. That's why we're all here. I'm here to share my knowledge with you so you can make money and put yourself in a better position for tomorrow to be financially free. So breaking it down real quick, we all know what the heck just happened in the world of crypto, specifically for Ethereum. We have a massive sell-off where the sellers, had a huge rally down to the bottom near demand. Now, if we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, this is my favorite time frame. We clearly see a market structure pattern, a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If you know anything about quarters theory, which are psychological levels, this happened right at 4250. Excuse me. Let me go ahead and grab a line here just to point this out and make it easily seen. Let's go ahead and change our settings on our coordinates. 1250. Great. This is the all-time high for Ethereum. We see that after we got that head, price reached up one more time and then flushed. Everybody thought it was done, but this is not the reality, right? The banks and the bigger players in the game want to scare retail traders like you and I to take your money out, right? And to think that crypto is all red and it's all bearish. In reality, this was a much needed correction. And now where do we find ourselves? We find ourselves back sitting in demand. Let me go to my daily time frame and give a great visual representation of demand. Now, if you know anything about demand, me personally, I'm a supply and demand trader. Right here, we have a great demand zone sitting right under 2,250. That is a psychological level where price reverses off of. Okay. Initially, we broke demand and then we started treating it. We broke supply and started treating it as demand. Price ended up having a huge rally to the upside. And now, ironically, where do we fall back to? Back to demand with massive wick rejections. I've been saying over here on my side of trading that the wicks don't lie. The wicks tell the story, which is AKA price action, showing that the exhaustion and the hold up, the slowing up of price in this key area. Okay, so what's the next step after figuring out why is Ethereum turning into a buyer's market after this massive sell-off? Well, we see due to Fibonacci, I'll delete it for the sake of the video and show everybody. What's the rule of fibs? We want to go from our swing low to our swing high. Well, from swing low right here to swing high, we'll drag it out some. Where did price retrace to? The 61.8%. This is the golden zone, the golden ratio. On top of that, it came back to 2,250, which is a price reversal zone. Let's go down to our lower time frames, H4, and take a look. This is a closer look here at what we see on our H4 time frame. Price dipped 2,250, came up, and we got a beautiful wick rejection, creating our first true higher low in the market, signifying that the bulls are regaining control. Price is currently being held up in the zone of indecision, sitting on top of our moving averages. Me personally, I like to use the 9 and the 21. The 21 is an EMA. Now I'm going to go down to the 1-hour time frame, which is a little noisy. This is where I started to get the confirmation. We get a double bottom pattern. If you know anything about market structure patterns, there's a couple of them out there, but there's 4 major ones. Double bottom, double top, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. Right here on the trend line, we have a double bottom, right? With bullish price action, engulf, morning star, morning star. This could have been the entry, but for me, it was a little too ambitious and it was not confirmed. What did price do? Price came up to the zone of indecision and retraced. And what do we get? We got a right shoulder to form our inverted head and shoulders pattern. Folks, this price is a buy all day long. The massive sell-off was just meant to scare retail traders and let the big dogs and the big players hop in once more and get this valuable asset at a low price. Right now, if you buy Ethereum, we are targeting a new all-time high over the next, I don't know, maybe month or 2 months. Just due to now the popularity of the crypto world, we're seeing traders into the market a lot more, and there's tons of more volatility, as we can see in the past, how slow price was moving. And over these last few weeks, specifically 2021, we've seen a massive upsurge in the amount of volume in the market. And to me, this is what I personally love. And today, this candle here, this daily candle, will close in 4 hours and 20 minutes. Now, if we get a bullish engulfing candlestick off of demand, off of the 61%, off of the price reversal zone of 2,250, price is going up. And what else do we see? We can see a double bottom possibly being formed on our daily time frame. What's the number one rule of trading? The higher the time frame, the stronger the analysis. I'm going to say it again. The higher the time frame, the stronger the analysis. Let's draw it out. This is a double bottom all day. Price is more than likely to extend through this minor zone of supply and break through this major zone of supply right here. Now, for all of my super conservative traders, if you're looking to get in once it's a little bit more confirmed, I definitely understand. You can always get in right here at 2,750. Once this neckline is broken and we start to retest it with bullish price action, sure, you're not in at the bottom of the double bottom maximizing your profits, but you're still in at a low price. We always buy low and we sell high. Tons of people bought right here. This was a bad decision. You never buy high. You always buy low to minimize your risk and to keep yourself as much in the green as possible. I'm going to go over here to my tab. Now, just looking at Ethereum, and we see that the global crypto market cap is up 3%, right? Ethereum, 8% in the last 24 hours, 24% over the last 7 days. We can go back to our chart and clearly see why. Slow up, come up, higher low. Market structure has officially been broken. We are now in the bullish bias, for sure guaranteed to stay in, or not guaranteed, but more than likely to stay in this range. So that's my Ethereum breakdown, everybody. Today is May the 30th, 2021. I'll definitely be back next week with another update on Ethereum. So go ahead and follow if you're thinking about placing trades on whatever platform you do that on, whether it's buying it as an asset through an exchange or you trade it on the Forex market. Me personally, I do both. I'm able to maximize profits greater that way. I use KOT for my Forex broker. No indicators, all naked trading. So like, subscribe, and make sure to join for the next video so you can see my next very technical Ethereum breakdown to get you as much money as possible so we all can be financially free together. Have a great day.